Hi, welcome to my video. Let's draw this cute cat together. As you can see now, I'm just laying down the main shapes in any color really, because we're gonna cover it up, and slowly building up the layers. I'm not really bothered with too many details right now. I'm just laying down the masses of color, the shadows, the main shapes. I'm slowly starting to add more details in the eyes and around them, fixing the mouth, and really working around as a whole. I don't focus on one particular area. I go around and add more shadows where they're needed, more light where it's needed, and treat the whole drawing as a whole. Bit of a detail, not really bothering with it too much. I don't want it to be like super realistic. A bit of whiskers, and we are nearly done.